What's up, you guys? It's your girl Tamara GI, and we are back with another tutorial. So today we're working with Ywigs. We're working with their crochet hair. They sent me over 5 packs of their 18-inch crochet human hair, and let me show y'all what it looks like because we're working with color today. This is what the color looks like, and it is like so tea, so I'm so excited to try it. Let me show y'all exactly what's going on here. I already did my braid down because this is crochet hair. We're not doing miracle knots, we're doing actual crochet. So this is the part of my hair that I'm leaving out, and actually my hair has a little bit of brown to it. It's a lot going on with my hair, and I cut my hair. That's another story for another day because my hair is like literally right here. This is just enough to like get it looking, you know. Then I want to be able to kind of like mimic like a middle part, but at the same time to still be able to do a flip over if I want to. So that's why I have this like little middle area, and I did like a middle braid right here, and then the rest is just going all the way back. Crochet is easy, and what I would recommend is that you guys do your braid down hours before you're gonna do your hair or the night before, because when you do that it just makes everything so much better. Like I did my braid down yesterday. Only thing I have to do now is just insert the crochet here. It's like 12 o'clock. I'm gonna be done by 1 o'clock, so let's just get straight into it. What came inside was an edge toothbrush, some clips, a comb, a crochet needle, and a crochet needle is the only thing you're going to need for this install. This is your crochet needle that you will need. Before we just hop straight into it, I just want to really show you guys exactly what's going on. You're just sliding your crochet needle through like so. You're gonna hook on the hair like that, and then close your needle, put it through, and then I like to have it centered like this, and then you just pull it through, and there you have it. It's that easy. And you guys, as you're doing this, don't try to overthink it. One thing that I like to do to kind of like help me maneuver, like if I'm actually feeling everything right when I am doing the crochet, what I like to do is I like to start from the base, like you see me doing. I'm starting from the base, and I'm going to make sure that all of that is filled, and then after a while I'm gonna start going up each braid and just filling it up that way. And doing it this way is easy. I don't try to double knot or anything like that because you want it to be very easy when you are taking them out. When I am taking out my crochet hair, all I do is just undo the braid, and as I'm undoing the braids, the crochet is literally just slipping out. So like I said before, I have that first row down, everything is looking good. So now I'm starting to go up the braids as you guys see me doing. It's very repetitive, but it is very easy, and it's not that time consuming. That's why I said, like, you know, just doing little things like doing your braid down a couple hours before so you can just get straight into this. It definitely helps because it's very repetitive. It's not tedious at all. It's just very repetitive. Like you'll probably get tired of like, okay, like I'm still doing this, but if you just lock in, like I promise you the time is gonna go by very, very quickly. And the fact that this is human hair, you can keep this in for a little minute. Like I know people who do crochet and they keep their crochet in for like a month or maybe like push it to 2 months. I don't know. I know it's probably some people out here that be having their crochet in for multiple months, but this is human hair, so you can treat it exactly like you would treat it bundles. I just feel like it is very cool that I can achieve a style like this and be able to take care of it. Like for all of my gym girlies or like anybody who is like an athlete or anything, this style is a very good style for you, especially because it's minimal leave out, and then also it is human hair, and then also if you don't want to do no leave out, you don't have to if you don't want to. So if you're watching this video and you are kind of contemplating on what type of, you know, crochet hair to do, I have so many different crochet tutorials on my channel, and for me, Ywigs is a very reputable company when it comes to like crochet hair and things like that, because I worked with them a good few times, and I've also like went like out of town and stuff and wore the hair, and I had like zero problems. So now that you guys see, I got done with a good amount of the back. I wanted to turn around to show y'all the back, but when I got a little bit more to the front, I wanted to show y'all as well. So one thing that I do in the front, sometimes I pull the crochet needle under 2 braids and then do the knot like that, so that everything could kind of like come together. And you know, when I do turn around, it's not gonna look like, you know, crochet hair on rows of braids. It's just gonna look full. Like, one thing that I really like is the end result of this hair. Kind of like, it not kind of, it definitely like resembles like a sew-in or like a wig and star or anything like that, and whole time it's literally crochet. And as you guys can see, this hair is so full. Like, this hair is really full, and even when I put the water on it, like the hair still has like so much volume, which you guys are going to see. And I absolutely love the color. Like, I like the fact that you can do little different styles like this, different colors, and you don't even have to match your hair to it. Like, I like the way that this color is so many different colors that my hair just blended in so well with it. And here's a little close-up of what I was saying, how I kind of like go through 2 parts to kind of like join everything together. I'm doing that a lot once I get towards the top, because that kind of like closes everything up and makes everything look really good and full and together. And so after I'm closing all of this up, I am gonna go through that braid that it is in the front, like the anchor, to make everything look really good. When I was doing this, I wasn't anticipating on, you know, doing like side part, middle part, all that. I was just really anticipating on just a middle part. But the way I did it, like, I could do a side part and a middle part, which you guys are going to see, and I actually really love that. I was happy about that. So we are coming close to the end of doing all of this crochet, and like I said before, it literally took me, I think, like an hour and 20 minutes to do all of this. And it really, sometimes it takes me an hour. It only took me an hour 20 minutes because I was stopping and doing stuff. But now we're on those little anchor braids in the front, and what I'm gonna do is, like you see me doing regular, I'm doing like the regular crochet, just putting everything through on both sides, and then I'm going to put the hair up in a ponytail and like add more crochet in to make it very full. So when I do put the hair back, it won't be like, okay, my hair is back, but you see like these little braids and lines. So I'm gonna show y'all exactly how I am going to achieve that. Okay, you guys, so like you see me say before, I put the hair in a ponytail, and I'm just going through that base and putting the crochet through, and that is going to give me more fullness so that everything looks good. And like I said before, you don't see that little demarcation braid of, you know, what we did from the crochet. Like, everything just looks a little bit more fuller when you do this. And even when you are done, and if you have to go back and add a little bit like more, you can do that as well. But I kind of like this look way better than how it was looking before. So this is what the hair is looking like, and like I said before, this hair is so full. Like, it is very full, and I just seen some parts where I wanted to add a little bit more, But y'all, I was definitely loving this. Like, this was so tea. It was definitely giving. At first, y'all, I was definitely going to add a little bit of heat to my hair and like blend it, but I was like, no, like I don't have to do that, which is so cool. So you see me taking out the little bit of leave out that I had, and then I seen one other part that I wanted to add a little bit more on, so I went ahead and added my little pieces. Like I was saying before, one thing about crochet is like when you're done, if you see some pieces like, okay, let me just add a little bit more pieces on there, you have the free will to do that, which is very, very cool. So now I feel like I had everything to my liking. This is what everything is looking like, and we're gonna go ahead and give this hair some life. So I'm just going through with some water and just this little curl cream that I had. Normally I like to use like a leave-in conditioner or like a spray leave-in conditioner or like a conditioner to like define my curls, but I really just wanted to use this little curl cream, I said curl cream, curl cream, just to see how everything will look. And as soon as the water touched the hair and I put the product on the hair, like the hair just started looking very, very, very good. So I was so pleased, because one thing I do love is like hair where only thing you have to do is just put water on it and you're cool. You definitely can do that, but I feel like for big hair like this, I like to add like a moisturizing product to it just to make it a little bit more defined. And like I said before, we're not doing any heat or anything. So I just decided to just gel everything back and pull out a little bit of baby hairs and stuff, but really just gel all of that leave out that I had. I just wanted to just gel all of that back, and I wanted to see if it was gonna blend in with the hair and not look crazy, and it definitely looked good. So I was so happy about that. Y'all, when I am doing crochet, y'all, I be a little nervous because crochet is not like my strong suit, and I am trying to do like you will see more crochet styles from me because I do want to kind of like get better at, you know, making crochet look like a sew-in or anything like that. Like I do be wanting to master it for real. So I was like, let me just see if I could just add some gel to it, and it looked good, and it definitely did. So I was very pleased. And also I just added like a little fan just to kind of like dry the hair a little bit, and it was a light on it, it was going off, that's why I was looking like a little flashing light. But this is what everything looked like when I was done, and I was like, okay, I was feeling it. But I did want to like make the curls define and dry the hair, so I did go in with my diffuser and just diffuse the hair a little bit to try to like pronounce the curls and get the hair as dry as possible. And this is the result from the diffuser, and I was like, okay, let me kind of like put it in a side part. And when I seen the side part, I was like, ooh, this is cute. We are done with the crochet. I'm actually really loving this side part. Like, it's so cute, too cute. You know, I love me a good side part. Like, this is actually super tea. And then we can switch it to the middle if we would like, and just kind of have that tease thing going in the middle. Honestly, I did do this install center around the middle, but I'm really loving the side part. But the middle is tea, cute. I feel like with a headband too. This would be so tea. I kind of want to find a headband real quick. Okay, so I know this headband doesn't really match, but I just wanted to see how the headband looks, and the headband actually is pretty tea. I just have to like define this part with my gel, but this actually looks really cute. Okay, so I really feel like I'm feeling the side part. Out of all the parts, like the side part, I didn't think that I was gonna be going for a side part today, but this is cute. I absolutely love it, and I'm not gonna cut any layers or anything in it because I just love the way it looks like this. I'm really pushing it because y'all know I'm really like allergic to edge controls and stuff, but just for over here, I kind of want it to be look like more slick. So I'm just gonna push that back like that. And then I'm gonna do the same thing like over here. And this is such a finesse because I didn't even have to like blend my hair. So I just slide that in between. Just have it sitting like that. I'll do the same thing for over here. Alright you guys, so I wanted to wait for the hair to get like completely dry before I really showed y'all the final results, and this is the final result. This is what everything looks like. It looks so good. Let me show y'all from the back. Y'all know like I'm just sticking with this side part, but I absolutely love the way this came out, and Ywigs did their thing with this crochet hair, and it is huey hair. And also only thing I did was add water and my little curl leave-in moisturizer solution thing, and this is how the hair looks when it is all the way dried down, and it looks so good. The hair doesn't feel hard or anything like that. Like it just feels really good, and it's not heavy at all. That's the one thing that I really like. And the fact that I could blend my permed hair with this and I don't even have to wand curl it, definitely tea. If you guys would like to purchase this hair, all the information will be down below, so make sure you guys shop Ywigs for your crochet hair because this hair is tea and I absolutely love it. The color, everything, I just love it. It's so cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope this video helped you guys if you did want to achieve this look. And also if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below, and we'll be back with another video soon. I love you guys so much. Stay blessed. Jam babies, we out.